Bore da, bore da. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Di Mercher, halfway there. Lot o chi nôl mewn ysgol, da iawn. Os chi dal adre, da ati, keep going. A lot of you are back in school, fantastic. Some of you are still at home. Not far off, guys, da iawn. Fel arfer, Ffit Yn pimp. 5 exercises, working for 30 seconds with a little break, and then doing another 30 seconds of the same one. So ni'n gweithio am 30 eiliad, cael gorffwys bach, a wedyn 30 eiliad arall, 5 waith, 5 times, 5 different exercises, okay? Planhigion newydd, I'm running out, so I've got the big boy down. Sa'n siŵr beth yw e. I don't know what it is, just big and green. Well, the Incredible Hulk. There we go, named it. Incredible Hulk. Gobeithio pawb gyda dŵr, everyone's got some water. Neu maen nhw'n gwisgo, pawb gwisgo dillad addas, okay, we're in clothes you can work out in. I can just see you're barely seeing my feet on YouTube, and I will need my feet. Okay. So, na I esbonio beth yw'r 5 gweithgaredd. I'll explain what the 5 exercises are. Oedd yn bwrw glaw ddoe. It was raining yesterday. So ni fel, nofio. Swimming, okay? So fi'n gwybod mae rhai o'r pwll nofio ar gau. A lot of the swimming pools are closed, but we're going to practice in. Yr un gyntaf, bydd ni'n plygu at the hips, okay? We're going to bend the hips. A wedyn ni'n neud bach o front crawl. Okay, lan I chi eisiau chi wneud e. I'm not brilliant at swimming, ond you get the gist. Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o front crawl fel na. Okay, 30 eiliad, off, falle wedyn sprint. Bit of a sprint, maybe. Flutter kicks. Pawb yn gwybod fi'n hoffi flutter kicks. Tebyg I wneud fel backstroke, yno e. Gorfod lawr, lie on the floor, kick, 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 kick. Gweithio abs a core muscles ni. Skipping rope, okay? Raff skipio. Na, fi'n gwybod nath shreds neu bach o skipio gyda chi ddoi. Little twist on skipping. Yn lle wneud y high skips, ni'n mynd I cael raff. We're going to get our invisible skipping rope. Okay? A ni'n mynd I skipio fel na. And we're going to skip like that. Maybe we can mix it up. That's up to us, okay? Lan I ni. Ar un nesaf, sa'n credu ni wedi wneud it. I don't think we've done it, okay? Pwll nofio, neu yn y môr. Fi'n weld ambell waith rhywun sy'n wneud pilipala, butterfly. So eto, ni'n mynd I plygu pengliniau. We're going to bend our knees a little bit. A wedyn, I don't know if you've seen them, pawb mynd fel na mas a mewn. Okay? So ni'n neud yr un peth. When my arms are going down, okay, breach yn lawr, fi'n plygu bach a little squat a lan. Lawr, down, up, arms are up. Okay? We're going to do a butterfly, butterfly. A wedyn I benni, trad gyflym, 5 seconds worth, 5 eiliad, trad gyflym, drop to the floor mewn eich lle, in your little space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, brech y lawr, flat, hop on ôl lan, trad gyflym, okay? We're going to finish on a hard one, alright? So, ni'n mynd I twymo lan gynta. Chi'n rhy ifanc, ond falle rhieni neu athrawon yn gwybod. Children, you might be too young to know. But your parents or your teachers or grandparents might know Mr. Motivator. Mr. Motivator just does very exciting things on the TV. Sometimes he dances. I'm not him, ond ni'n mynd I wneud bach o twymo lan fel na, okay? So, side steps I dechrau. Side steps. 1 to the side. Trad gyda gilydd. Trad gyda gilydd. Good. So twymo lan coesau. Wedyn, fel ni'n neud high 10, pob tro mae trad yn dod at ei gilydd. Every time your feet come together, we're going to do high 10s. Ha-pow. Ha-pow. Good. Edrych, so ni'n ddefnyddio lle, we're not using a lot of space. Some equipment gyda fi, chwaith. I've got nothing to use. We're just using our bodies and our brains. Dal ati, good. Okay, tro ma, bach o marcho. Opposite, okay, cyferbyn. Da iawn. A wedyn, dim ond coesau. A ni'n mynd i'n slow fach, dod brech yn ei lan i'r ochr. A lawr, like a big bird. Os ti'n gallu gwneud sŵn fel y deryn, if you can do a bird noise, that's right. Bonus points. Caca! What does a seagull do? Ah! Sorry, os chi mewn ysgol. Sorry if you're in school. Cadw fynd. Tro ma. We're going to go out to the front. Front raises. Control the movement, okay? Don't just fling them. Control. Steady lan. A lawr. Legs should be getting a bit heavier now, so ni'n mynd i pigo fel lan. Jog bach. Okay? Arms are working as well. Try and do it off the llawr. Feet are coming off the floor. Good. Cilch. We need to go in a circle. Jog in a little circle. Change direction. Now cyfeiriad. Good. Okay. Feed the chickens. Dynamic stretching nhw'n gael o hwn, okay? Ni wedi wneud hwn sawl waith. Feed the chickens. Da iawn. Okay, tro ma. Big hugs, okay. 7 llonydd, stand still. Open the arms out. Big hug. Mas. A hug. A hug. A hug. Okay. Fi'n ei taimo chi nawr. 1 munud. Chi gorfo jogo ar y smotyn, okay? Tio pam? Fi'n chargio iPad fi yn y cegin. A so fe da fi. Chi'n barod? Go! Go, go, go! Keep jogging. Go, 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 go! Cadw fynd. Cadw fynd. Cadw fynd. Oh, a fi nôl. Oh. Okay, stop, relax. Pawb i cael dŵr. Oh, Steph. Symud y cadeirydd mas o ffordd. Okay. Ni'n gweithio'n 30 eiliad. Off am gorffwys bach, little break, 30 eiliad arall. Okay? Gweithio galed, neu be chi'n gallu. Os chi'n eistedd lawr, neu falle bach o poen gyda chi, gyda'r nofio, you can sit on the floor and swim. Okay? Flutter kicks are un peth. Os mae coes yn brifo, use your arms. Okay? Pawb yn barod. Nôl â ni'n mynd i nofio. Plug at the hips, bend at the hips. Nofio nice and slow i dechrau off. Work on the technique. Trwyddo a nôl, trwyddo a nôl. Reit dros the top. Good. Falle bach mwy gyflym. A bit quicker. Keep going through air, bach o awyr. Da iawn. Tro ma, bach mwy gyflym. My technique might go a little bit, I might go a little bit quicker, okay? So cofio, technique yn bwysig. Da iawn. 10 eiliad, shoulders. Oh, sgwyddau. Pa barod? Fi'n edrych ato chi nawr. Bit faster, bit faster. Bend at the hips, pluggy at the hip. Keep breathing, fel chi'n neud yn y pwll. Carry on. Goggles arno. Bach mwy gyflym. Technique wedi mynd. Ond ni mewn ras nawr off ni. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. 5, 4. O, da iawn. O! Mae'n anodd. Fi heb nofio am spel. Falle na i mynd i'r môr pan mae fe'n... Wel, pan ni'n gallu. Mae'n twymo lan. When it warms up, I'll go for a swim in the ocean. Flutter kicks. Ni'n gorwedd ar llawr. Flat. A wedyn, kicks bach. Okay? Keep your legs pretty straight. Little bend in the knees. Okay. Kicks bach. If you need a rest, have a rest. Toes pointing up. Oh, and tough. Just little kicks. Fel chi yn y pwll nofio, splash, splash. Oh! Fi heb wneud hwnna am spell. I haven't done that for a while. Oh, tough. Cadw'n adlu, keep breathing, okay? Really bwysig, don't hold your breath. Because we need the oxygen going round. Off funny, kicks bach. Cadw yn adlu, trwy, breathe your nose. Oh, 20 eiliad. We've got this. We've got this. Cadw ymlaen. 10 eiliad. Fi'n teimlo bod yn gweithio. Oh! Oh, that's tough, man. Oh, that's tough. Okay. Ni'n mynd i skipio. So, pawb I cael imaginary skipping rope nhw. Okay. Ni'n mynd I wneud two-footed hops. Okay. Cofio, skipio. Dwylo mynd round. We're going to start with just try bach. Okay. Cael y car lan. Fel chi'n neud yn y cae, like you're doing on the field or the playground. Cadw'n adlu. Keep looking up. Y peth gorau am hwn, the good thing about this is that we never trip up. Cadw in, good, really good. Oh, da iawn. Cofia, when we're landing, we don't want straight legs. Little bend bach. So ni'n gallu mynd nôl lan. Good. Edrych ar ôl pengliniau. Look after your knees. Pa barod. Okay, cadw fynd. Falle na I wneud crossover. Opa! Didn't see that one coming. At all. Cross, cross. Oh, look at me go. Da iawn. Really good. Crossover. A nôl. Fi'n mynd I wneud un o'r rhain. 6 eiliad. Un yr un. Go, go, go. Da iawn. Rest between sets. Dŵr os ti angen. Oh. Tro nesa, ni'n mynd I wneud y pili pala. Mewn nofio. Cofio, 2 fraich yn dod lan. 2 arms are coming up. Squat bach. Okay. As soon as you get the rhythm, we're gonna go like Ian Thorpe. The Torpedo. Good. Falle chi wedi weld hwn yn y pwll nofio. Mae'n dod mas, a boom, no mewn. butterfly yw e. Squat, little squat bach, gweithio'r quads. Y sgwydd yn gweithio galed heddi. Shoulders are working hard. Oh! Da iawn. Sdim angen equipment. Ni mewn lle bach. Mae hwn yn really, really dda. Oh, 5 eiliad. We're going to go again. Bach. Ras nawr, ni'n cael ras. Go! Fi'n ennill. Da iawn. Fi dal yn ennill. Neb yn chaso fi. O, rhywun o llun o'r eos yn chaso. Da iawn. Rhywun o Scopen Park. Oh. Da iawn pawb. Keep going. I think I'm back in the lead. Yeah. Like a fish out of water. Come on. Oh, I won. Joy on, nes I ennill. Ond please neb gofyn fi am rasp pan mae'r pwllnofi agor. I will lose. Okay, I Benny. Oh, Steph. Trad gyflym, lawr yn llawr. 5 eiliad, quick feet. Feet are coming off the floor. Wedyn, break it lawr, down to the floor, chest ar y llawr, lan. Go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. A lan. A to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lawr. A lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lawr. Lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lawr. A lan. Oh. I'm working so hard, a little bit of saliva popped out of my mouth. Oh. Dechrau chwasu nawr. Dechrau chwasu nawr. Oh no! Off a ni! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lawr. A lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lawr. 1, 4, 5, lawr. 1 mwy, come on, lawr. Lan. Cyrraedd. Gerdded round. And eich lle. Have a little walk. Oh, fi'n mynd I fynd nôl amlan. Anadlu. Control the breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay, ni moyn cwl y lawr. Cael y calon, setlo. 120 beats erbyn y diwedd yna. Ond fi'n credu mae batri fi'n I marw, so ni moyn cadw yn ôl lawr. Os oedd rhywun yn gofyn I fi nawr neu gwaith, I couldn't. Hwna pan ni'n goffo cwl y lawr a wneud couple of stretches. Okay, breichau. 1 braich mas, 1 arm out, across the body, a wedyn hold. Oh, llais fi. Hold it there. 7, 6, 4. Okay, siglo fi mas. Braich arall, other arm, out, across, bar. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 5 rolls of the shoulder back, 5 forward, nice and slow. Shoulders, good workout fyna, lot o nofio. Shoulders, traps, da iawn. 2. Angle forwards. 2. Da iawn. Just mynd plygio at the hips eto. Arms drip into the floor. Okay, flat back, edrych ar llawr. Arms to the side, just nice and slow. for the back muscles. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. A benni off the quads. A fi wneud, beth oedd e? Y nofio butterfly quads fan hyn. So just pigo un coes lan, right foot, right hand. Dala fe. Dala'r cadar, os mae un o'r bwys neu os ni adre. Wal. Nice stretch yn y quad. Heart rate down to 90. Yn cool o lawr. Ti'n gallu clywed e, ti'n gallu weld e. I'm not panting. Da iawn pawb, really good. Mae'r hael wedi dod mas fyd. Okay, os chi adre, falle mynd am wac da'r teulu. Os chi'n ysgol, gweithio galed, neis bod nôl. Okay. Oh, a na ni, brilliant. So bydd Stephen gyda chi fori. Stephen o fori. Unig session fi wrthos yma, my only session this week. So byddai weld chi dydd Llun. Eto ni ar Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Microsoft Teams. Beth arall? Cofia, os mae unrhyw sesiynau chi moyn i ni wneud, if there's any sessions you want us to do, gofyn y thrawon ar share ni, e-bosto ni, neu comment, a wni sorto rhywbeth as. Diolch pawb, ta-ra! Finish.